Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create a gold text style in Photoshop. Start by typing your text in a bold font, then apply a gradient overlay with rich gold tones. Add inner shadows for depth, use bevel and emboss to simulate metallic shine. Also adjust the highlight mode to white for reflections. Now apply contour to refine edges and add a subtle stain effect for soft glow. Use outer glow with a warm yellow gradient. Reduce opacity for realism. Add drop shadows to lift text from the background. Adjust distance and size for balance. Duplicate the text layer and apply a soft Gaussian blur. Set the blur layer to overlay mode for extra shine. Adjust all gradient stops for